Whether you want to hide a single app or an entire page of apps from prying eyes, or you're just looking to organize your iPhone home screen layout and reduce the clutter, hiding apps is quick and easy. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can get great tips like this and my newsletter for free. So here's how to hide a single app on your iPhone to add greater privacy to your life. It's easy. Let's do it. Navigate to the screen with the app that you want to hide and long press that app. Tap Remove App. Tap Remove from Home Screen. The app's going to disappear from your home screen, but it'll still appear in your search and your app library. To access the app library on your iPhone, go to your home screen. Swipe left past all of your home screen pages. You'll see the app library as the last screen, which organizes your apps into categories. Now, let's tackle how to hide an entire page of apps on an iPhone all at once. Long press the dots at the bottom of the home screen. If you have a search box at the bottom of your screen, press and hold that instead. Then tap it again. Now tap the check mark under the page that you want to remove. Now tap any blank area of the screen. Next, tap Done. Now if you decide that you want the app back or that you want a hidden page back, here's how to do it. To unhide a single app, locate the hidden app in the app library and drag it to your home screen like this. To unhide a page of apps, long press any empty area of your home screen, tap the dots at the bottom, and tap the empty bubble under the hidden page. Next, tap Done. More quick tips like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? It's free. Type in cyberguy.com in your web browser and click the little red button.